Okay, here we go. There's the waterfall. Actually, you know, looks a little shallow to swim in after all. Still. And then this is some sort of temple over here. And some sort of rock mountain stuff over there.